friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine, friends. Well friends, today I'm repairing this is Sony home theater. This is the model number DZ350. Okay, so the problem will switch it on, will give the power input power. So we'll come to know what exactly happened. So I will put it on now. I put it on. So we'll check the power light over here. See, this is the situation. It is not getting on. So I am pressing power. See, when I press power, see, it is not getting on. See, this is the problem. So power is not getting, only lights, white light will blink and off. White light will get blink and get off. So let's open the top cover and check what is the issue in this. So this has came from, the customer told me he has given this to for Sony service center, but they couldn't, they told to replace completely motherboard. But anyway, so the customer came back to me, so he saw my YouTube channel and he called me and he sent this for repair. So we'll open the top cover and check what's the issue. Just keep watching my video, guys. So this is the power supply section, SMPS. This is the main motherboard, and here is the Bluetooth circuit, and this is, as you know, this is CD-ROM. Okay, so you can see here the power supply. If you notice, see, these two capacitors swelled. You can see it, the body came up. It means there is a leakage in the capacitor. If you notice clearly, see. So what we will do, so there is I think the problem is with the power supply only. So what we'll do, first we'll try to replace these two capacitor. The value of these two capacitor is 1000 mF 16 volt. Okay guys, so you can see the top portion, it's come up. It means that there is a leakage in these two capacitor. So after replacing these two capacitor, if it works, it's well and good. Otherwise, then we need to check further. So first what we will do, we'll replace these two capacitor with new one. You can see easily, you can notice there is a problem with this two capacitor is swelled, the body is swelling, the top portion come up, so there is a leakage in the capacitor. So what we'll do, we'll just replace these two capacitor and we'll check it out. Okay, so we'll replace this two capacitor, same value. Okay guys, so these are the two factors we fixed. These are two capacitors we fixed now, or we'll fix back. So we have removed the old faulty capacitor, so we'll put it back. So guys, I have fixed it back everything. Put the power connector in the socket. So now put it on. So now we'll check what's the status. So I'll put it on. See guys, comes so blue light. So the problem is only this two capacitor. So we have replaced these two come up body, that's leakage in the capacitor. Okay guys, so it is working. So our system is on now. Okay, so we'll put it off again. See, off, standby. So we'll put it on again. I put it on. See, hello comes. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. See you very soon next video. Bye.